Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the channel you want to shape. Set gain to unity and engage the EQ section. This gives you a neutral baseline so you hear true changes. Once done, solo the source or mute others so your ear focuses on one input. Listen for problem areas, boominess in lows, boxiness in low mids, harshness in highs. Make sure you understand which slider or knob controls which frequency band so your first cuts or boosts are deliberate. You next perform a sweep to pinpoint offending frequencies. Briefly boost a band by about 6 dB with a narrow cue and slowly sweep until the problem exaggerates. Once found, reduce that frequency by 3-6 dB rather than boosting others. Cutting is cleaner and prevents masking. After the cut, widen the cue slightly and fine-tune adjacent bands by 1-2 dB to maintain natural tone. Also cross-check in context with other. You finish by polishing and validating your work. Bypass the EQ to a /be the sound and confirm the change genuinely improves clarity. Make small boosts under 3 dB for presence or air and balance with cuts to avoid buildup. Once satisfied, save settings or document knob positions. If harshness or muddiness reappears, troubleshoot. Verify phase coherence, correct gain staging, and double-check bus routing. If problems persist, reset the channel EQ and repeat the sweep process. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.